Welcome to Sacred Heart High School. Today we are going to study 8th standard maths, second chapter, parallel lines and transversal. Parallel lines. The lines in the same plane which do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. Students, you all can see the diagram. The lines which move in a straight line are parallel lines which do not intersect. Now we are going to study transversal. If a line intersects given two lines in two distinct points, then that line is called a transversal of those two lines. We will study with an example. Here is a diagram. In the figure, line L intersects line M and line N in two distinct points. Line L is a transversal of line M and N. The concept of transversal is clear with the help of an example. Now we are going to study corresponding angles. If the arms on the transversal of a pair of angles are in the same direction and the other arms are on the same side of transversal, then it is called a pair of corresponding angles. This also we are going to study with the help of an diagram. Observe the diagram carefully. Angle AMP and angle MNR are corresponding angles. Angle PMN and angle RNT are corresponding angles. Now we are going to study interior angles. A pair of angles which are on the opposite side of the transversal and inside the given lines that are intersected by the transversal is called as interior angles. We are going to study interior angles with the help of an example. Observe the diagram. Angle PMN and angle MNR are interior angles. Angle QMN and angle MNS are interior angles. Now we are going to study alternate angles. Pairs of angles which are on the opposite sides of transversal and their arms on the transversal show opposite direction is called a pair of alternate angles. There are two pairs of alternate angles: interior alternate angles and exterior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles are angles at the inner side of lines, and exterior alternate angles is angles at the outer side of line. Interior and exterior both we are going to study with the help of an diagram. Students, observe the diagram. Angle PMN and angle MNS are interior alternate angles. Angle QMN and angle RNM are interior alternate angles. Now we are going to study property of corresponding angles. When a line called a transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines, corresponding angles are formed. Corresponding angles are angles that are in the same relative position at an intersection of a transversal and at least two lines. If the two lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are congruent. The same property of corresponding angles we are going to study with the help of an diagram. We will see what are corresponding congruent angles. Observe the diagram carefully. Angle AMP congruent to angle MNR. Angle AMQ congruent to angle MNS. Angle PMN congruent to angle RNB. This is what we studied, property of corresponding angles. In this, we are going to study property of alternate angles. Each pair of alternate angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is congruent angles. Property of alternate angles we will study with the help of an example. Angle PMN congruent to angle MNS. This is interior alternate angle. Now exterior alternate angle, angle AMP congruent to angle SNB. Now property of interior angle. Each pair of interior angle formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of supplementary angle. What is supplementary angle? Where the sum of measure of two angles is 180 degree. The total of two angles which comes to 180 degree is called as supplementary angle. Now we will study the same with the help of an diagram. Major angle PMN plus major angle MNR is equal to 180 degree. Major angle QMN plus major angle MNS comes to 180 degree. Students, this is what we studied, parallel lines and transversal. Thank you.